Playtime Sisters! It's time to play with my loyal customer, Bobby. Hey, you, customer, do you want some ketchup on your fries? You want some ketchup? Yeah. Here, you can eat it. Put it. Yay! There we go. That's my customer. She's a very loyal customer. She wants a burger. With no onions? Okay. Here's your burger. She's a loyal customer. She also wants potato chips. She likes chicken, but she said she was full this morning, so she didn't eat the chicken. Hey, where did you put it in the potato chips? Hey customer, I'm just gonna clean up while you're eating. Eating? Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. But this right there. The customer is very loyal, so she eats a lot in this place. Yeah. Want to eat your chicken? Here's the chicken. Hey, don't steal the shop. She's still eating the burger. Playtime Sisters. Everything's all cleaned up. Do you want to eat more? Do you like soft prunes? Yeah. You have to pay for that. She ate all the chicken nuggets. Okay, customer, are you thirsty? Do you want some cola? Yeah. I'm gonna cut some potato fries. Okay, all the potato fries are done to give to the customer. Here you go. You ate it all. Bye guys. See you next time. If you love pretend cooking, toy, food, and fun playhouses, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty toy fun every week.